Welcome back to another video. Today we are shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the tool deals, some clearance deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers will pay for my subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Got a miter saw here, $249 dual bevel from Joby, 12-inch. You got a vacuum here, $99. Alright, you got the buy one get one free. So you buy with a 179 impact driver drill driver, get two 1.5 amp hour batteries, you get a 1.5 amp hour battery for free. Or you could get the $189 deal with two HP batteries, with 2 amp hour batteries. This is the cheaper deal here, 179, you get that battery for free, $49.97 value. Got some router bits, $64.97. You got a starter kit there for 79 bucks. Alright, that's the more expensive kit here with the 2 HP batteries. HP means that they are the better batteries basically, valued at $169. This is definitely the better deal to go with if you can afford it. If not, then the other deal's okay. You got the buy one get one free M12. Get one of these tools for free. You can get the ratchet, the right angle, or the oscillating, and I believe the job site speaker too. Buy one of these, $229 impact driver drill driver. Or you can get the one-handed reciprocating saw fuel or the installation driver. Alright, so this was on clearance or new lower price, $139, down from, does not say, but I guess that's the new lower price that they have. Maybe it was $159. I did not look at it. Alright, and then you got these masks, $9.80. So if you do a lot of dust like me, not like me, but you know, if you guys do a lot of dust and stuff like that. Now, and I bought some of these. They've been okay so far. I've used throughout the day. I used one of them, and they've been okay, I guess. They're just kind of uncomfortable. I think I like the 3M better. Alright, so you got M12 lithium, 2 amp hour battery for 59 bucks. That's it right there. Not really worth it, guys. There's a lot of good deals coming up with batteries, so make sure you guys stay tuned for those. There's just some killer deals coming up. You guys did see already a preview of Monday's deals. That's what we're gonna be seeing on, I believe, next week. You got a nice case here with some TikTok case inside. Got some Robertsons. You got some nut drivers, socket adapters, some star bits, and you got that long bit holder there. Really nice, convenient to have. Alright, $19.97 for the black and gold 21 piece. They did not have any here. All they had was the 10 piece at the bottom. And they got the XR tools, you either impact driver or drill driver for $179. That's the kit with some nice big batteries there. $159 for the 1600 1600 amp starter, jump starter. I believe it's a compressor and a jump starter. Alright, you got the drill driver, impact driver, made in the USA, and then you got the impact wrench to the right. They did not have any prices on these. I don't know what the deal is with this Home Depot not having prices. Alright, $12.97 for this 25 feet tape measure. Alright, you got the fuel oscillating tool for $179. That's the kit. This is nice. You're getting those batteries. Then they got the oscillating blades there, $29. Pretty good deal on those. Well, I believe we're gonna start seeing them, you know, the Christmas. So if you're not urgent to buy those blades, like if you don't need them for work, then you can probably wait for the Christmas time or for the holidays. Usually they'll come in like a pack out or you know, some sort of bundle deal with where you can get all of them for like 20 bucks or 15 bucks. Alright, so you got the impact driver, drill driver, atomic, $229. Alright, you got the buy one get one free. These deals are still running. I would definitely jump on it as you see fit. As if you see the tool at your store, definitely check it out. The impact out light's awesome. I do have it. The vacuum, I believe it's a little bit underpowered. Still pretty good. The grinder, the angle grinder is pretty good. Definitely recommend that one. So any of those deals would definitely go for it. I would definitely go for the light if you know, if you're gonna make a choice. You got the surge here, $149. Impact driver, drill driver with the hammer drill, $3.99. Plus you're getting that free battery. Then the 2 amp hour battery deal. This is you buy this for $1.99. You get the 2 amp hour battery. That's the angle grinder for $179. And that's the mid torque there for with friction ring, $239. Which I'm thinking of getting this because it's really good deal if you just buy it and return the battery. If you return the battery, it comes down to like $155. Yeah, this one's a really good deal too. I did get this one a while back. Let's see here, $249. That's the circ saw. One hand the reciprocating saw, $159. That's the fuel. Then you got the vacuum right there for $199. And then you got these blades. Definitely check it out. This 5-pack 9-inch blades, $14.97. You have your choice of buying the wrecker, the axe, all those. You got a nice inverter here for $99 for your emergencies, or if you want to charge phone or small tool. $47.97 for the 2-pack of 10-inch 40-tooth general purpose saw blades, Diablo. Or you can get the $54 with the 12-inch, the bigger ones, which are really expensive. Definitely check it out. Well, these are not expensive, but you know, they're usually very expensive when they're not on sale. Get the Dewalt deal, $30 off or $50 off, depending on what deal you guys get. These are already discounted, so the price that you see there, that's what you're going to be getting them for. So some of these are pretty good. Some of these are okay. You got the sander for $99. That's the quarter sheet. You got the impact wrench for $139. That's a pretty good deal. You got the circ saw for $139. You got a jigsaw for $169. It's a pretty good deal. The router too, $169. Usually it's $199. Got the bandsaw for $259. $249, my bad. Then you got the impact driver, drill driver right there, made in the USA. Alright, and then you got the SDS hammer drill here, or rotary hammer, $249. You got the Dewalt 31 piece TikTok case with the nice magnetic sleeve, $19.97. Pretty nice little compact case. $3.99. This 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw, rigid. Then you got circ saw and drill driver for $179, 2-tool combo kit. And then you got impact driver and regular drill for $139. These are great DIY tools. Same thing with these. These are great DIY tools. You got the impact driver, $99, which they did not have any here. All they had was this bit case there. $19.97, 70-piece impact rated driving kit. So this is pretty nice. I haven't tried it myself. I tried a few older Ryobi bits. They were, tell you the truth, they were trash. But these seem to be a little bit nicer quality. I haven't tried them, so let me know down in the comment section if you have one of these kits. If you tried them before, you got some star bits there. Alright, you got the battery, 4 amp hour battery, HP, $99. You got the tools for $119. That's the battery there. And some of the tools. This Home Depot is actually pretty empty. You guys are going to notice that this video is actually shorter than other videos that we make. $449. This is a 46-inch 9-drawer heavy-duty mobile workbench. Pretty nice. These workbenches are really nice. I'm really impressed with the husky quality. They actually make their toolboxes better than way before, because before they used to be like not quality. And I believe that's not a Husky, that's an international tool box. Alright, so you got the cut-off tool here. Got an oscillating tool for $99. Angle grinder for $119. A battery there for $69. That's the oscillating tool. And I believe that's a jigsaw. $129 for the reciprocating saw or the circ saw. This is 7 1/4. These are HP tools. Remember, HP is the better models of these Ryobi tools. I already got some clearance deals here. They're some pretty good deals for somebody that does not have a lawnmower. $379. This is the walk behind push mower from Dewalt. This is one of the newer ones. They do come with two 10s, I believe, two 10 amp hour batteries. DCMWP23. Alright, you got $399 down from $449. Guys, Joe the Tool Guy, big shout out to him. He actually found that some of these, not this model, but the push model, was $99 in some stores. So make sure you guys check it out. If you guys see the Toro 60 volts with as a push mower, not the self-propelled, make sure you guys double check the price. It could be $99, so it could be just a killer deal there. And then they got this one. This is a string trimmer, a push behind string trimmer, like for bigger purposes, like bigger weeds. $255 down from $299. Definitely check it out, guys. That's it for today. Just a short video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube is a platform, by subscribing and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one.